Welcome. If you're tired of getting email notifications from Pinterest about suggested pins based on your activity, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the quick and easy way to turn off those emails, so your inbox stays clutter-free and you only get the updates you actually want. First, grab your phone and open up the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look at the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture again. This will open up your account settings and give you access to more options. Next, scroll down and find the notifications section. Tap on it. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Pinterest can send you, including push notifications, email updates, and more. Under the Pin Picks category, look for the option labeled Pins Picked for You. This is where Pinterest sends you emails about pins it thinks you'll like, based on your recent activity. Tap on Pins Picked for You to open the notification settings for this specific feature. You'll see a toggle switch next to email. If the switch is turned on, that means you're currently receiving these email notifications. To stop getting these emails, simply toggle off the email option. The switch should turn gray, indicating that email notifications for suggested pins are now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Pinterest email notifications for suggested pins based on your activity. From now on, you'll no longer receive those emails, but you can always come back and turn them back on if you ever change your mind. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more peaceful inbox.